The XR industry is no stranger to hype. Every year we see flashy announcements, bold promises, and game-changing headsets that either never materialize or leave us disappointed. So when I heard about the Immersed Visor, I'll admit, it sounded way too good to be true. But after spending time in this headset personally, I'm here to set the record straight. And no, this is not a paid promotion. This is no fluff, no BS, just the truth about what the headset can really do. Let's get into it right now. I had the unique opportunity to visit an undisclosed location for a meeting with a major tech giant and watch as people tried the Immersed Visor for the very first time. Let me tell you, seeing their reactions was something special. You can see their eyes light up as they put it on, exploring the features, testing the clarity, and experiencing what this device could really do. It wasn't just curiosity, it was genuine excitement. One older gentleman who's been in the industry long enough to witness the evolution of PC monitors and XR tech said something that stuck with me. I would use this every single day as it works today. That moment is when it hit me. It's one thing to test a product yourself and be impressed. It's another to see others, especially professionals and enterprise users, genuinely excited about it. It was clear to me that what Immersed has built isn't just hype, it's a practical, reliable tool that's ready to meet the demands and needs of enterprise users and prosumers alike. Make sure to stay tuned to the end of this video for my raw and candid responses about the visor that came right after I used the device for about an hour. But first, let's start with what immediately stood out to me: the clarity. The Immersed Visor delivers 4K per eye with 25 million pixels in total. That's not just a number, it's a premise that you can actually see. Everything is sharp, clean, and impressively vibrant. I couldn't spot a single pixel, which, trust me, is rare in XR. It's the kind of clarity where you can work on detailed spreadsheets, read text in your emails, and pull up multiple monitors without really any strain. For comparison, it's on par with the Vision Pro, and in some cases it might even feel a little bit more sharper. This is professional grade visual quality in a device that doesn't weigh you down. Literally. Now let's talk about comfort. At 186 grams, the Visor is the lightest standalone headset I've ever used. But it's not just about being light, it's about how it fits. Right out of the box, whether you go with the stems or the strap option, it's designed to sit comfortably on your head. And unlike some headsets that press into your face, this one distributes the weight evenly across your head. I spent over an hour in this headset without even noticing it was there. No cheap pressure, no discomfort, just smooth, uninterrupted use. It's not about gimmicks, it's about getting it right. Alright, let's dig into performance because this is where the Immersed Visor truly shines. First off, this is 6DoF tracking and it's rock solid. I pushed this thing to the limit, moving my head all around as much as possible, trying to catch it slipping, but I couldn't. No frame drops, no lag, no stuttering. It's smooth, precise, and frankly impressive for something this size. I had 4 or 5 monitors up at once, doing everything from watching videos to working on Google Sheets and browsing the web. And it handled it all well. For a device this compact and light to deliver such fluid performance, that's next level. And for those wondering, yes, it stayed cool the entire time. Even after hours of use, there was no overheating issues. The Visor is a workhorse, plain and simple. If you're looking for gaming, this isn't your device, although there may be some type of functionality later. But if you're someone who needs a productivity-focused headset that can replace your monitors anywhere, whether it's an airport, coffee shop, or at home, this is it. The ability to customize your screens, have multiple setups, and work wirelessly or tethered is just incredible. It's not just functional, it's practical. One thing that really stood out to me is the level of polish in this headset. Immersed didn't cut any corners. They partnered with industry leaders like Qualcomm, Pegatron, and BOE. The result? A headset that doesn't just look good, it actually works. The XR2 Plus Gen 2 chip provides the power, the micro OLED displays deliver stunning visuals, and Pegatron's manufacturing ensure it feels solid in your hands. This is the same level of quality you would expect from Apple or Sony, but it's coming from a smaller company that's determined to make an impact. And can we please talk about how cool this thing looks? The sleek design, the hidden camera array, and the potential for interchangeable faceplates makes it a statement piece. It's futuristic without feeling over the top. You're not going to feel awkward wearing this in public. It feels like the future of XR packaged in a way that's approachable and functional. So, is the Immersed Visor just another overhyped XR device? Absolutely not. It's real, it's here, and it works exactly as promised. For productivity, there is nothing like it in this form factor and at the price. From its lightweight design to the crystal clear visuals and having 6 DOF built in, this is the headset a ton of us didn't know we needed. I also got a chance to test out a game-changing feature that Immersed will be announcing very soon that actually left me sort of speechless, but more on that in another video. But as promised, here's my fresh out the headset, candid and unfiltered response after using Visor for an hour. If I wouldn't have been, this is why I was so pertinent to be in the room to see just the older generation of people, to be in a room and for there to be, XR is not something, how can I say this respectfully? XR is not something that is normally easy for someone to pick up. For them to still want and stand there and wait to actually be in it and then go through all the bumps and scrapes and still be like, I would use this every single day, that to me sold me even more on the fact that if someone older generation wants to use it, then of course someone who's my age and younger, it's gonna be like, it's a no-brainer. I mean, we just proved that just now. I mean, I took it on, put it off, took it on, put it off, took it on, put it off. I just was in the room with seeing people take it on, put it off, take it on, put it off. It's not like you switched a headset behind it. Trick me, like I'm unhooking it and rehooking it in a second. It's like, the reality is it's running right now, and every time I put it on, it was running exactly. My screens were in the position they were running. This is 6 DOF. It's like I'm moving. That's why I was on purpose moving my head around, trying to see, is this a trick? Am I really in 3 DOF here? You know, and so doing that, and then it's standalone. So if you've already put money on this, you have nothing to regret. Everything you wanted, everything you wanted from this device, even in its current state and what they're doing and where they're heading, is exactly what you want from it. And those who have not bought it, if you're caring all about clarity, if you care anything about lightweight, and then not just that, just the possibility of being on that first wave. Buying this as Ryan, you said you took yours back. Being an early adopter is 2 things. It's saying I'm curious to know what the future looks like, and then it's, am I a stakeholder of what the future looks like? And I use this, I keep it because I want to be reminded when this gets better and these get better and Quest gets better, to say, well, I was there using this heavy I'm gonna say it, headset, and now look where we're at today. So this is the worst the Visor will ever be. That's the reality. And it still nails all the promises of what it said it was going to do. So I'm proud of y'all, man. I'm just like, the sky's the limit. You gotta just ship the first iteration. You gotta get it in people's hands, you know? And then once you have the users using it and they'll start finding things, I mean, bro, I have no issue with recommending this to people. So. Well, there you have it, folks. Let me know down in the comment section what excites you the most about the Immersed Visor. You know what else is exciting? You know what else you should continue to look forward to? This channel. So why don't you subscribe? Why don't you hit the thumbs up? Why don't you comment below? Let us know how much you enjoyed this content. Hitting that bell notification so you can know the next time a video comes, because I promise you, we got a lot more content coming real soon. It's your boy Jay Dunn, and I'll see you next time. Peace.